In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Ubisoft gift card. Whether you want a quick digital code or prefer to pick one up in person, I'll walk you through the simple process and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. First, decide how you want to receive the gift card. You can buy online for a digital code delivered by email, or you can visit a major physical retailer if you prefer a card you can hold. If you want a digital code, head to the Ubisoft Store's gift certificate page or use a trusted third-party platform such as Amazon, GameStop, OnMe, or Target. Once you're on the site of your choice, use the search bar and type Ubisoft gift card or Ubisoft wallet credit. This will bring up the right product pages so you're not sifting through unrelated results. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct region or country page, since availability, currency, and denominations can vary. Next, choose the option that fits your needs. A digital Ubisoft gift card is delivered by email as a code that you can keep or send to someone else. Ubisoft Wallet Credit adds funds to a Ubisoft account's store balance. Both work for purchases within Ubisoft's ecosystem, but Wallet Credit is typically tied directly to an account, while a gift card code offers more flexibility for gifting. Now select the amount you want. Common denominations are $10 and $25, and $50 is often available depending on the region. If you don't see your preferred amount, it may be out of stock or not offered in your location. Click the button to proceed. This might say, offer a digital gift card, or simply buy, depending on the site. Review the product details, delivery method, and any regional notes one more time before moving on. Choose your payment method. Most platforms accept major credit or debit cards, and many also support PayPal if it's available in your region. Enter your payment details carefully and make sure the billing information matches what your bank expects to avoid delays. Complete the checkout by confirming your order. Double-check the recipient email address if you're sending this as a gift. Typos can delay delivery. When the purchase is finalized, you'll receive the digital code via email. This usually arrives within minutes, but it can take a bit longer during peak times. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder and keep your order confirmation for reference. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and ready to use whenever you are.